Hello, my name is Hector Baldagues, and I'll be making the video of my activity diagram. My activity diagram consists of making hot chocolate from a mix or from scratch with toppings. Firstly, we start here with the initial node, which takes us to the decision here about selecting regular or diet milk. So now we go to the condition of selecting regular milk. After that, we got the action of pouring 2 cups of regular milk into pot, and that merges straight to put the pot on the stove. Now let's say we select diet milk, so that takes us to the condition of selecting diet milk, which takes us to the action of pouring 2 cups of diet milk into the pot, which merges says to put pot on the stove, which that action takes us to turn on the stove to medium high temperature. After this action, it takes us straight to the decision of selecting chocolate between chocolate powder and chocolate bar. Let's say we first select chocolate powder. We take that condition straight to this action, which tells us to pour the desired amount of chocolate powder into the pot, which merges straight to the mix the milk and chocolate thoroughly. Now let's say we select the other decision, which will be selecting from a chocolate bar. From this condition, we go straight to this action, which shows us to grind the chocolate bar, which takes us straight to the action of put the desired amount of grinded chocolate into the pot, which merges to mix the milk and chocolate thoroughly. Now, after this action, we go straight to this decision way up here. With this decision, we have if the chocolate is well mixed or not. So let's say the chocolate is still not well mixed, and then it's not hot yet. So we continue mixing, and this merges straight to put the hot chocolate into the cup. Now, in the decision, if it's well mixed and hot, we pour it straight to the we go straight to the action of pour the hot chocolate into the pot. Now this merges it straight to the decision of adding the toppings. Like for example, if you do not want in this decision any toppings, like right here it says not adding any marshmallows, we go straight down to the final node for any decision. But if we decide on any toppings, for example, if you want marshmallows, we got this condition down here. This goes straight to this action to put marshmallows in the cup. After that, it merges to the next decision of not adding any whipped cream or adding whipped cream. Say we don't add any whipped cream, we go straight to the same line of not adding anything to this final node. Now let's say we select adding the whipped cream. We go straight to this condition, to this action to pour the whipped cream on top. Then we go to the next decision, which is for adding or not adding cinnamon sugar. Not adding, of course, takes us to this condition straight to the final node. Now, if we do add cinnamon sugar, go straight to this condition down here to this action to pour the cinnamon sugar. After the last action, we go straight to the final node. Well, everyone, this is my diagram. I hope you understand it clearly. And for the final questions, I got them right here. It will be, what is your opinion on visual notation of a process compared with a paragraph format? Well, in my opinion, like it says right here, in the visual notation is easier to understand than a paragraph because you can actually see what the order of the actions are between better, and you can understand them clearly, of course, in the end result. For the second question, what is a flowchart? Well, it's the same thing as an activity diagram. And in other words, a flowchart is a diagram that, for me, that represents the sequence of movements or action of people or things in a complex system and activities. And for the final question, is there any benefit to forming friendships with your classmates so you can provide feedback to each other on future assignments? And for my answer is yes, there's a lot of benefit forming friendship with different classmates because their feedback is very important for the benefit of helping each other to better ourselves. For example, if you miss something, somebody else can find it. Two set of extra eyes can look at something that you missed, and that can save you a lot of trouble. And I really thank Chris Fry for his feedback that actually helped me a lot from the video. The feedback he gave me actually helped me better my activity diagram to complete it, and to Professor Donna. that she helped me correct my mistakes that I had a lot to improve myself and to better myself, to actually challenge myself, improve myself. And this is all I got. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much.